Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is International Islamic University, Islamabad Schools, Sahiwal Campus, Science, Grade 5, Unit number 2, Lecture number 5, Ecosystem, having a subtopic What are food chains and food webs? General instructions. Students, bring your student's book and classic notebook, open them and keep them open during lecture. Write date, day, topic, and index properly. Listen to your teacher attentively and write all the important points said by the teacher on your classic notebook. Solve bookwork questions on your science book. Okay, students, look at question number 1, page number 20. Read and look at the energy pyramid. Classify the plant and animals according to their function in the pyramid. So on the page number 20, here is a energy pyramid is given having three pyramid structures. Like first one is ferns, second one is deer, and third one is mountain lion. So you have to write these three names on the appropriate place, like which are producers, which are consumers. So you have to put them on appropriate place on your page number 20. Question number 2, read and label each picture. So below in the paragraph of food chain, you have to write down the name of each picture. So you have to read about it and then you have to label it appropriately. Question number 3, look and number each picture to show the flow of energy in the food chain. So these pictures are random. Look at page number 21. So you have to write the numbers from 1 till 4 in a sequel manner. You have to write them appropriately, that in a food chain which picture will be the first one, which will be the second one, and third and the fourth one. So you have to write them appropriate numbers. How does energy flow in this food chain? Discuss with a partner and write your answer. So you have to write about above food chain, which is shown over here in the picture. So you have to write about that how does energy flow from one part of the food chain to the other part, and discuss it and write its answer on your page number 21. Question number 5, read and fill in the blanks with words from the text. So in the text here 5 words are given. The first one is mountain lions, second is dead, third one is deer, plants, and sun. So you have to write appropriate words on these blanks on the page number 21. Question number 6, read and circle true or false with a partner. Correct the false statement. So you have to firstly choose whether the statement is true or false, tick them, and if the statement is false, you have to write correct statement for that false statement. And you can solve this question by reading page number 22, paragraph number 1 about food webs. Question number 7, look at the food web in a forest ecosystem. Circle a producer and draw an X on 3 consumers. Then draw arrows that shows the flow from the sun as energy is transferred along the food chain through the producer to the consumer. So firstly you have to circle a producer in that food web diagram on the page number 21, and then you have to circle 3 consumers, and after that you have to draw arrows which shows that how the energy is transferred from sun to producers and then to consumers. Question number 8, read and complete the sentences. So here on page number 23 there are 3 sentences which are incomplete. So you have to read the paragraph about balance in ecosystem on the page number 23 and then solve these 3 incomplete sentences. Question number 9, look at the food web on the previous page. Suppose the population of mountain lion in an ecosystem decrease. What effect might this decrease have on the deer mouse population and why? Discuss as a class. So in this question you have to think about previous page. You have to look at previous page, like page number 22, and suppose the population of mountain lion, and suppose what will happen if the population of mountain lion will decrease, and what will be its effect on deer mice population. And also you have to write that why did you think about that. Question number 10. With a partner, think about an ecosystem near where you live. Then write examples of 4 living and non-living parts in the ecosystem. So you have to think about an ecosystem and write about its living and non-living parts. Question number 11. How do living and non-living things interact in the ecosystem you choose? And discuss in small groups and write your answer. So first, in the question number 10, you have to write about living and non-living things of an ecosystem, and then you have to write about how these living and non-living things interact in an ecosystem. So here are some additional questions. Question number 1 is, what are energy pyramids? So you have to write about energy pyramid. Question number 2, describe about food chain. You have to write a brief note on food chain with a diagram. Question number 3, describe food web in detail. So you have to write about food web. You can choose and solve this question by reading page number 22. Define resource. So here you just have to write down the definition of resource. Students, do all the questions mentioned in this lecture and write on your classwork notebooks. Solve bookwork on your bookwork. So this is end of the lesson. Allah Hafiz.